Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You'll start by choosing the connection, USB dongle for Virtual 7, 1 or the 3, 5mm jack for analog. Plug the headset into the dongle first, then insert the dongle into a rear USB port. This gives stable power and prevents detection issues. If using 3, 5mm, plug into the correct pink/green combo or headset jack on modern machines. Once done, leave the headset powered on and avoid front panel hubs. They can fail to recognize the USB sound adapter. Now make the HyperX device the active one in Windows. Right-click the speaker icon, open Sound Settings, and choose the HyperX USB device as default playback. Then open the Recording tab and set the HyperX microphone as default device. Make sure the sample rate matches the dongle, commonly 48,000 Hz at 16-bit, because mismatches cause distortion. Also turn off Windows audio enhancements and any other virtual audio drivers so the dongle's 7. Finally, validate everything. Use Windows Test and play a voice or game to confirm stereo and mic function. Adjust volume and mic gain in the sound control panel and in your game or chat app so voice levels are consistent. If something fails, try a different USB port. Rear ports are best. Reboot and reinstall USB audio drivers. If the dongle is unrecognized, switch to the 3, 5mm cable to isolate hardware issues. These steps narrow down whether the problem is port, dongle, or software.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.